Magandang hapon po ng August 22, 2026 Saturday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 22, 2026 Saturday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Saturday, August 22, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for August 22, 2026, Saturday. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655, Lotto 642 for Saturday, August 22, 2026. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for August 22, 2026, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.